currently at 68 degrees, as you can see in the display here. We have several routes. It's going to be around 200 and 250 miles today. Beautiful sunrise. So I had a little fun this morning with my luggage. The backpack that I packed would not fit in my top case. It was too big, I guess. So I had to spend some time there to fix my luggage situation. I was not planning to take both of my side cases, which they are on now. That's why there is no second camera. And we're here with the guys.
Searching for group. Grouping succeeded.
Roman doesn't have it?
No.
He doesn't. Alright, we can talk about him then.
Freaking Honda guys.
Seriously. Alright, set to go.
Ready.
This
Great time.
Great time. The most exciting time of the whole trip right here. At 0 miles an hour. Couldn't imagine it any different.
Standing still on Cross Bronx. It doesn't get any better, does it?
Yeah. Have you ever stood standstill on an interstate? Right? This is exciting and thrilling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Exhilarating experience here.
Think positive. Positive? This is positive.
This is positive. My speed is positive 3 miles per hour.
Yeah. Welcome to New York.
A few minutes later.
There's a gas station.
Oh, there is?
Yeah. You sure? Okay.
Give me a second.
All right. I'm gonna put it online at 2.
So we stopped because of these GS guys can't handle cold.
Now I'm kind of hot. Can we stop?
Oh, you're gonna say that in like 30 minutes.
Yeah, you probably will. Yeah. Well, in about an hour, we should be in Port Jervis, right?
Hopefully.
And there's the gas station.
Yeah, I told you.
Who needs gas? Yeah.
Yeah, road closure. That was Seven Lakes Drive. That was a nice road, by the way.
Oh, that's
what I
that's
wanted.
gonna suck. Well,
That
where's
car
that-
went around the cones.
Yeah, I would go.
What if the tree is fallen?
That guy went around the cones?
Yeah.
I would go. You know? Alright.
Was that a
I mean-
bicycle or who was it?
It was a car.
And there was a truck too, so I would go.
Yeah, let's do it. Just know that Roman and I cannot BDR. Just, you know, if you see a tree or something. Slow down, Jeep.
That's the way the GPS is telling me.
Yeah. You can cut through here.
That way. Yeah.
Straight,
That-
straight,
that
straight,
guy
straight.
there.
No, no, no. This will you're leaving now.
Yeah.
If you go right,
Where we
go
go?
left, 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 straight up, straight up.
Yeah, this is a nice part of the road.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're definitely doing construction up here. careful of that bump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People have knocked cones already. Traffic cones.
See that? They left an opening for motorcycles.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sometimes it's good to remember that we are riding motorcycles and we can go through stuff.
Alright, that was a nice diversion.
That was nice.
Alright, let's find Main Street.
Took our exit for Port Jervis. We're here. Time to eat. It's closed.
See one car there.
Yeah, I see a sign.
The door just moved.
Maybe it is.
Arrive.
Oh, there's some cars.
Oh yeah, there are. That was a good ride. Port Jervis Diner. It's nice and cozy inside. Let's go and eat something. Thank you.
No, I mean, not my car.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
It's waterproof anyway.
He's waterproof.
I'm waterproof.
Fry them, and then fry them.
Thank you very much.
Oh, this is excellent.
I'm good for now. Tell me that was nice. Nice. Look at that.
Now we're in PA.
Now in PA, yay, yeah. Nobody?
Works. Almost works.
Are you trying moving it?
Yeah, no, it doesn't want to move. I was watching a guy on YouTube start one of these things up. From cold to
All the way to moving?
all the way through.
Take some time though, right?
Half the time.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah. No cool. 15 seconds
Simple way. You put coal in the, whatever this is called, firebox. Heats up, sends heat all the way through fire tubes. These are submerged in the water, which then boils and moves the locomotive, and then the smoke comes out in the smoke box and out the smokestack. The valve and the piston is what actually moves the locomotive. So the steam comes right here in this box. Valve, piston, drive wheel. This is the only one that gets power, and the rest are just connected. with a crankshaft and a rod. Really? We are going to train trip?
He rides a Honda. He rides a Honda. A Honda. Yeah, let him
BMW, Honda, Harley, BMW.
BMW. You got that S? What's that? SV 1000 or something?
Oh, no. We have tours.
Oh.
So they have GS, I have an RT. It's like, yeah. Thank you. Look at that. We are in for the train ride. Choo choo! This is so beautiful.
Yep.
This looks like Windows XP wallpaper, if you remember it.
Yeah.